everyone, Alexa Donne here, and today I am going to be doing my unboxing for the 2020 NaNoWriMo Survival Kit Swap. Mouthful. This is a bunch of us author tubers. We sign up for an anonymous gift exchange and we send each other packages in the mail to help get us through NaNoWriMo. So this beauty, which yes, is incredibly intensely bubble wrapped, I love this, arrived a few days ago and I am super excited to jump in, and we're gonna start by finding a way. It's just like dense layers of bubble wrap, which is very smart because this came from overseas. So the funny thing about this, I signed up again because I had such a good time last year, and I like picking out things for other people as much as I like receiving. But just like last year, am I going to do NaNoWriMo? I'm still kind of in the maybe camp now. It's really going to depend on whether my publisher buys my next book. I feel like either way, I'm probably gonna do at least a quarter or half nano, because I definitely do want to make progress on this manuscript no matter what, but am I gonna do a full nano? Really gonna depend on factors like, do I have a deadline? And what is my day job like? So here is the box. I love this. It's got a lid that comes off and more bubble wrap. I love good packaging. Now I'm like, did I not bubble wrap mine enough? Ooh, more bubble wrap. Red tissue paper, so fall, so great. There's a note. There are decorative leaves inside. I love this. Okay, so I have a letter here for me. So my secret Santa, I know that's not what we're calling it, is Tommy Sutton, and I just love this. Fingers crossed everything got delivered all right. I tried to suffocate it with bubble wrap. Yes, I love it. And so there's a running joke between me and Kevin and kind of Laura that I hate mushrooms and they love mushrooms and they think I'm ridiculous. And one of the questions on our form for this exchange was things you're allergic to or won't eat. And I put no mushrooms, Kevin. And so Tommy decorated the letter with mushroom stickers. I love a little bit of wry humor. I can poke fun at myself. I have just this weird aversion to mushrooms. I can't explain it. So let's dive into the box. Oh my god! Look! It's little cat paw post-it notes! What is so cool about Tommy being in the UK is that these are gonna be things that I can't get in the US, which is kind of really exciting. Oh my god! So I'm going to be reading more craft books with Laura and Kevin. Spoiler alert. I'm already using actually my Pride and Prejudice sticky notes from last year's exchange, and I'm like doing thematic stickies. Oh, but I might have to use these too. Ooh. Let me show you. There's the first one. Don't know if you can see, hopefully. And there's the second one. So cute. Star stickers! Yes, I was running low on these as well. These are the star stickers that I use for my planner. Hopefully I am actively drafting very, very soon. I mean, this is for Nano. This will be good for Nano. I have to do Nano. Yes. Half Nano, quarter Nano. We'll do it. There's some more great decor in here. There's a little gourd, plastic, not real. Let me see if I can show you the rest of this package. See how pretty and autumnal it is? Just warning you right here, because I keep going between full focus and face focus, the light keeps changing in the video. That's super fun. Yeah. Ooh, so let's open this in a pretty little package with a leaf. Ooh, and little acorn thingies. It's masking tape. That are days of the week. Oh, I'm gonna have to play with this in my planner. So Tommy and I both love Jane Austen. It's a Jane Austen enamel pen. How incredibly adorable is this? I love it, and the only sadness is that we don't leave our houses and I can't like put this on my clothing or a bag that people will see at this point in time. But this is going on one of my book totes when I go to an event. Yes. Okay, so now there are two objects wrapped in red tissue paper with twine. They kind of look like beating red hearts, or if you're being generous, apples. So I'm gonna start with this one, which is a little bit square. I love the twine. That is so British. I love it. More bubble wrap. I appreciate the commitment to sparkle motion, honestly. It's a scented candle called Ooh, I guess the brand must be Joy because the scent is Bonfire, which it's like, you know me, because I already can tell I'm gonna love this. Yes, it's like woodsy outside, but not too woodsy. There's a bit of freshness there, but I'll have to burn it to see how that smells. Oh, I've honestly, this is perfect. I've recently gone candle mad after last year as well, the candle that Kevin got me last year, which I got enjoyment out of. But since Kevin and Laura have been talking on their lives about Bath and Body Works candles, I hadn't tried them, and then they had a sale and I bought a lot of candles in the sale, and I liked the candles, and I've been burning them nonstop because I can't leave my apartment, so I might as well make an attempt to make it smell good, like fall. I bought anything that was like pumpkin, clovey, and I bought a limoncello candle that I love. I love like a lemongrassy type smell. And then they had another sale, and I bought larger versions of the candles I bought in the first sale that I really liked. So now I have enough candles to burn a candle every day for the rest of quarantine. So now the second one. My cat is looking on with great interest at this. And he got me with his claw. I deserve that. He's a lover, not a fighter. Also, just a fun fact chit chat. My cat has asthma. Kitty asthma is a thing. I took him to the vet. So he also has a thyroid problem. So I get to medicate him every day for the rest of his life, I think. But yeah, my cat has asthma. And then my other cat is possibly allergic to his food. So we're trying an elimination diet. And this is my life now. I love my cats, but it's hilarious to me that one has asthma and one has allergies. So it's another candle. Hope. I actually think these might burn well together because this has a little bit of that piney scent that I said that this one doesn't have, because this one really is bonfire. It's like, you know, you're in the woods and you're burning a bonfire. I mean, it is what it says on the tin. And that is like a nice forest. So yay, candles. Last but certainly not least, we have this wrapped package. You know, I ended up not wrapping mine, so when you watch their video, you're gonna be like, I was being eco-friendly is what we're going to say. When the truth is, I discovered at the last minute that I could not find my Scotch tape. So that's why. Ooh, it's a soft touch notebook. My future is quite literally a blank canvas waiting for me to fill it. Ooh, I like it's got nice wide ruling. Oh my gosh, it's custom. On the side, it says my new novel with my name. I don't even know if you can see that. That is so cool. And I'm loving the theming because we got some nice pinks. So this is actually perfect because I normally don't do handwritten notes while I write or handwriting while I write. However, there is an exception to that. When I go to Write Girl, which is the mentoring organization that I go to, we always have little notebooks, journals that we write in when we go to the workshops. Now we're not physically going to workshops anymore for the time being. Yes, it's depressing. But when we do, I handwrite bits of my novel in a journal, novels, whatever novel I'm working on at workshops. I always find a way to kind of work on my novels, even when the workshop themes aren't fiction. And this is perfect to be my workshop journal, including for we have virtual workshops now. So there are workshops, but I love to handwrite when I go to a workshop to do that kind of creative writing. So that is my unboxing, guys. I am just like, the custom notebook, the cat paw post-its, the Jane Austen pin. Star stickers. I literally can never have too many star stickers. And feeding my candle obsession. I have a problem. It's a candle problem. I now own so many candles. It's truly ridiculous, but I'm like here for it. The packaging was fantastic. Like, A+ for presentation. Feeling guilty about my lack of presentation, honestly. Lainey's gonna show me up too. She always does amazing presentation. I am so excited. I feel properly guilted into doing NaNoWriMo. let's say no matter what, I'm doing a quarter NaNoWriMo. Of course, by the time you see this, it's going to basically be NaNoWriMo. I'm filming this at the beginning of October. Hello from the past. I hope things have gotten better. And onwards into the future with my NaNoWriMo Survival Kit. Thank you so much, Tommy. Of course, I'm going to link down below to the playlist so you can watch everyone's unboxing videos, and also specifically to Tommy's channel so that you can check him out. What I love so much about the survival kit program of sorts that Kevin's put together is it's such a great way to feel connected and meet new people and find community. I found new channels to watch last year, including my lovely recipient Moon. And this year I've discovered new channels all over again. I hope you check everyone out, find some new ideas for getting writing supplies for yourself or for gifting to fellow writers, as well as some new channels to watch. Thank you so much to Kevin for including me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and happy writing and good luck with NaNoWriMo.